Greetings and welcome to our DIY dollhouse furniture guide. Making your very own dollhouse furniture is something we'll walk you through in this video. Step 1. Gather materials and tools. Craft sticks or popsicle sticks. Cardboard. Fabric or scrapbook paper. Foam sheet. Hot glue gun and glue sticks. Scissors. Paint and paintbrushes. Decorative elements like beads, buttons, or ribbons. Ruler. Pencil. Step 2. Make a dollhouse bed. For the headboard and footboard, start by measuring and cutting a piece of cardboard. The headboard and footboard should be glued to the ends of the craft stick base. Cut a foam sheet to the size for the bed. Apply glue to the craft stick foundation and foam sheet. To cover the foam, cut a piece of fabric or scrapbook paper, and then glue it in place. To give the headboard a unique touch, embellish it with decorative items like buttons or beads. Step 3. Create a dollhouse sofa. Glue craft sticks together to make the sofa frame. Trim sofa sheets so that they will fit the sofa seat and back. Make a stick frame of the foam sheets with glue. Cover the foam with the fabric that has been cut out, and secure it with glue. Add pillows and cushions by cutting foam and wrapping the pieces with fabric. Step 4. Design a dollhouse dining table and chairs. Create a tabletop out of a cupboard by cutting a piece and attaching it to 4 craft sticks. Cut the foam sheets to make the backs and seats of the chair. Adhere the foam sheets to the chair framework made of craft sticks. Use fabric to create a cover of the foam, and then glue it in place. You've got it now, then! Make your own lovely dollhouse furniture with a little effort and some inexpensive materials. As you create and embellish each element to fit your dollhouse aesthetic, let your creativity go wild.